My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Peugeot 3008. This vehicle has done just under 28,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. Using the dial on the left, we can use our iCockpit to access navigation, personal, minimum, and dials. We can use our right dial to control and scroll on the screen. Moving on to the screen itself, using the buttons just below, we can access our media, climate control, navigation, our driving functions and vehicle settings, smartphone integration, and our MirrorLink, Android CarPlay and Apple CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. The Peugeot 3008 also comes with sport mode. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.